In this video, we'll show you how to create a Deriv MT5 account and start trading via the MT5 app on your Android device. To create a Deriv MT5 account, go to www.app.deriv.com/MT5 on your mobile's browser and log into your Deriv account. Next, select Real Account if you want to trade with real funds, or Demo Account to trade with virtual funds. Please note that to trade with real funds on Deriv MT5, you need to have a Deriv Real account. Both Demo and Real Deriv MT5 accounts are further divided into 3 account types: Synthetic, Financial and Financial STP. Click Compare Accounts at the bottom of the page for more details on each account type. Select one depending on the asset you want to trade. Then click Add Real or Demo Account. Create a new secure password. Make sure it's different from your main Deriv password. Then click the Create DMT5 Password button. Please note that this password will give you access to all your Deriv MT5 accounts and account types. Your Deriv MT5 account is now set up. If you want to trade with real money, transfer funds from your Deriv account into your Deriv MT5 account in the cashier. To connect your Deriv MT5 account to the MT5 app, you will need the broker, server and login ID details that are available on the Deriv MT5 dashboard in your mobile's browser. To download the MT5 app, scroll to the bottom of your screen and click Get It on Google Play. You will be redirected to the Google Play Store, where you can download the MetaTrader 5 app. Now, let's see how you can connect your Deriv MT5 account to the MT5 app on your Android device. Once you download and open the MT5 app, click the 3 lines at the top left corner to access the menu and select Get Started to create a new account, or select Manage Account if you already have an account added. Once the account screen appears, click the plus button to add a new account and select Deriv Limited from the list of brokers. If you don't see it, click Can't Find Your Broker and type Deriv in the search bar. Enter your login ID and password by copying it from the mobile browser. Select Deriv Demo Server to trade with your demo account, or the Deriv Server to trade with the real account, and click Login. Your Deriv MT5 account is now connected to the MT5 app, and you can check out the Features menu at the bottom of the screen. Now that you have successfully installed the MT5 app on your Android device, let's find out how to trade on it. To place a trade, tap on the preferred asset and select New Order. Enter your trade details and enable optional risk management features like Take Profit and Stop Loss. Depending on your prediction of the price movement, select Sell or Buy. And that's it! Your trade is now active on the MT5 app. You can view or modify your active trades by clicking on them.